Oh, snap. Good gosh. Look at this. Yeah, I'm at the wharf, you guys. The Lord is speaking right now. The Lord is really speaking right now, you guys. I'm not going anywhere. What? Look at this. Thank you, Jesus. I needed to see this. This is why I'm supposed to stay here, you guys. To see this. Wow. That's gonna make a great reel right there, man. That's gonna make a great story on YouTube. Subscribe to my page, Life in the District. You only see this, right? You only see this there. This is an exclusive live from the wharf by G. Shout out to Tucker Barnes. What the hell is going on, Tuck? Talk to me, bro. You ain't said nothing about this morning, man. Damn it. You probably did. My bad. My bad, bro. It's all good, you guys. It's all good.